Are you not able to generate revenue or increase your ROI with social media campaigns? You don't have to worry anymore because all your problems are going to be resolved today. You are aware, like most things, social media campaign require a solid plan to make a long-term impact. And for that, you need to have proper and up-to-date tactics. Hi everyone, I'm Shiv Gupta and today I'm going to share some advanced tactics that can help you to make your social media campaigns successful. Tactic number 1. Know your audience. The first thing you have to do is set a target audience. If you don't target the right audience, no matter how good your content is, you are not going to succeed. So, identify or create a buyer persona. For example, as you can see on the screen, this buyer persona created contains all the details regarding what all points to consider if you are targeting a group who is looking into fashion. It includes their age, gender, their current location, their hobbies, personalities, etc. Then it is having their business demographics like their job title, people they follow, their goals and motivation, fears and pain points, and so on. If you are still confused about how to find target audience on social media, I have covered that part too. The link of my previous video is in the description below. You also need to find out where your target audience is most active, like on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter or LinkedIn. For example, if you're selling products for newborn babies, then obviously you need to target new moms. Or if you're selling gadgets, then you need to show your brand and products to the younger generation. So, before coming in front of your audience, you need to understand where your target audience is mostly active, where they spend most of their time. For example, according to Statista, people are getting old, and as they are habitual to Facebook, they use it more as compared to other platforms which are coming these days. On the other hand, Twitter appeals to a younger audience. In fact, 37% of Twitter users are between the ages of 18 to 29 and 25% of users are 30 to 49. Instagram also appeals to younger generations because it came after Facebook. So, with 25% of users being aged 30 to 49 and 53% being aged 18 to 29. Now, let's come to the second tactic, and that is utilize multiple social media platforms. After creating a buyer persona, you have an idea of which social media channels your ideal audience prefers. There is a wide array of best social media platforms out there like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more. So choose which platforms are best for your campaigns based on your buyer persona. For example, if you are a B2B brand, you are going to have more success on LinkedIn, which is mainly a platform for professionals and brands looking to connect with other professionals. Social media is an excellent way to communicate with your customer base. It enables you to address problems quickly, which not only pleases your customers but also saves you money. Even your customers are likely to spend more money on your business if you are interacting with them on social media, because it helps you to humanize your brand and customer support those businesses which they find relatable. Tactic number 3. Write engaging content that attracts people. To succeed on social media, you have to have engaging content. Nowadays, creating visual content attracts more customers than writing a note or a paragraph about your product or service. For example, as you see, I also post visual content on social media platforms and it really works. The most obvious and important point of creating engaging content is to add value to the lives of your users. Whenever you create content for social media, keep your audience in mind and create content which easily explains to them what you are trying to say. For example, look at this post. Here, in this post, we are telling our audience the do's and don'ts they should consider while communicating with the clients. Here, the content is simple, attractive, and easy to understand. There is no use of complex words. What I am trying to say is basically write your content in a way that is easy to read and understand. It should not be too long that people get bored or too colorful that people don't even want to see. Number 4. Be consistent in your posts. For social media marketing, consistency is the X factor. It is everything. Being consistent in your post allows you to increase your audience engagement and reach. Find a balance when posting content. Make sure that you are not posting too much of a certain type of content and a small portion of another. For example, if your business is only related to real estate, posting videos about house maintenance tips twice a day can cause an imbalance with your older posts like house sales or information about your business that goes out only once a week. Once you find a good balance in the amount you post for different kinds of content, be consistent while sharing that content. Also, as a bonus, I have created a 2-year social media calendar which you can find in the description of this video. Number 5. Respond to your audience. Many business pages do not pay attention to the comments given by the audience on their post. By doing this, you miss the opportunity to build trust among your audience. If you want your followers to become your customers or your loyal fans, you need to engage with them regularly throughout the post sharing, replying to comments whether positive or negative, and conducting a poll. Number 6. Add a strong call to action button. Your call to action is the part where you want your audience to take the action you want. This is the part you created the whole campaign for, and this is where people decide whether to make a purchase with you or not. All CTAs might not lead to purchase, but they should be focused on generating engagement on website and social media for your offerings. Examples of some of the most popular types of CTAs are sign up for newsletter, share button for social media, subscribe buttons. So that's it. I hope I have added value to your time and answered your question the way you expected it to be. What's your key factor to make your social media campaign successful? Let me know in the comment section below.